Hello everyone, Penny here, and today I am sharing with you One Day at a Time, a weekly scripture folio insert mini book. And it is a journal, but also has mini books inside the journal. There is the journal page design workbook as well that goes with this. This is a project workbook, I guess you could say. It's different than the junk journal playbooks. This is more of a project playbook and workbook, so it's a little bit different. There are black outline templates for you to print these templates on your own paper so that you can use whatever papers that you want. However, I have designed some pre-designed papers in this kit. That was the cover. This is there's like 3 background papers. This is another journal page. There is some word cards, like vocabulary cards, labels. There's another of the background paper. This is the mini book pages. The little mini book, the daily mini books. This is the page, it's blank. Here are the ones that have scriptures. There are 4 different colors of the mini books. There's 4 different mini books in this. Then there's also the regular journal. There's several different backgrounds. There's 4 different backgrounds. There's 4 different words that I have chosen. There's 4 different tags that are designed, and then there's 4 different tags that are blank, as you see here. So I'm just showing you the different colors, the different scriptures. This was designed to make little mini books, and these are the pages for the mini books. So we have a big journal, the cover templates there, the page templates are there, and then also we have the pocket templates. Now here is the mini book cover at the top. There's the cover. As you can see, there's some with scriptures, and then there are some that are blank. For those who don't want the scriptures, you can stamp your own or write your own. Then below the cover are some more of the journal pages. So I'm just flipping through and showing you the different pre-designed pages for the mini book covers and the mini book pages through this part. There's 4 different words that I have chosen for this particular One Day at a Time. I will choose more words as I go on, as I create more of these. Here are the page pockets and the inside cover pockets. So there's different pockets. So on the left side is page pockets, and on the right side is the insert cover pockets, and they're labeled, and they're in the 4 different background, pre-designed backgrounds or whatever. Here's some tags and just some elements. So stay tuned. I'm going to teach you how to put this together, teach you about how to cut it out and things like that. So I'm just showing you the rest of the kit. So stay tuned, check out the links down below, and I will see you guys later. Bye everyone.